Well, hey, it's snowing again. I went out and shoveled earlier. It took away about 3 inches plus the 2 inches from last night. Now it's another 4 inches between the time that President Ramaphosa spoke and I came out here. Pretty crazy, huh? Look at all this snow. Beautiful winter wonderland. If you like snow, that is. I love snow. So I'm off to pay my gas bill, but I'm doing it on foot. Not gas bill, water bill. Doing it on foot because I'm not driving in this. Look at the road, man. Look at the road. And it's still coming down. And that's just the surface. That doesn't include the people that walk around on the road. Or drive on the road, I should say. Walk like me. No, people driving, you can't account for how good the drivers are, how poor they are. So, just came out to go ahead and pay this bill. Figure it'll be pretty dark by the time I get back. It's kind of slow going here on the ground in this soft, mushy mush, or if you say in German, much, slushy sort of snow. Hard to walk on that as it gives way to your feet. But there you go, folks. Anyway, winter wonderland here in central Pennsylvania. It looked like we escaped the bulk of what was going on. That was yesterday. But guess what, folks? It's here with a vengeance. It looked like we were on the cusp, the edge of the storm, but now it's striking back. Hope everybody's snug in their homes, stocked up on supplies, everything they need, because it's definitely a winter wonderland out here. Roads are slick. It's pretty dicey for driving conditions. Although by now the major roads should be pretty clear. The authorities do a pretty good job at the state, county, and township level of keeping the major roads clear here in central Pennsylvania. You got to give them credit for that. But quite a bit of snow still coming down. Yes, I'm wandering around in shorts as I always do. I have the coat on because if I walk with just my sweatshirt, my hoodie, the heat of my body will melt the snow and it'll freeze and might get hypothermia. So I'm actually wearing a coat, a good coat. I think it's an LL Bean coat if I'm not mistaken, which will keep me dry. So I suppose it looks a little strange walking around in shorts when you're wearing a winter coat. There goes a snowplow. See that? Look, good job, folks, good job. Where's he at? Lost him. Anyway, sorry if you didn't see him, but the snowplows are out. They're doing their job. Kids are sleighing and bobsledding all over the place, taking advantage of the winter weather. Anyway, folks, I'll do some more videos to update you. Just giving you a little shot of the winter wonderland. But look at this mess here. People try to turn around the corner. Look at that. Woo. My goodness. Slick. And then down here, not a main road, but a main thoroughfare in the village down here. Pretty clear. Snowplow's doing a pretty good job. See that? Look at that. Pretty good. But as you can see, the visibility conditions are limited. Only goes so far. Anyway, folks, I'll give you an update shortly. Take care.